Hello everyone, welcome to UGC NET Gate Studios. In this video, we will see a question which was asked in June 2020 of the UGC NET exam. This question is on TOC, that is Theory of Computation. Let's look at the question. Let L1 and L2 be two languages over alphabet A, B. In TOC, we know that sigma stands for the alphabet symbol. Alphabet A, B, that is the languages over the symbols A and B only, represented by the regular expression A star plus B whole star and A plus B whole star respectively. Which of the following is true? L1 is subset of L2, L2 is subset of L1, L1 is equal to L2, or L1 intersection L2 is 5. So the regular expressions are given, two regular expressions are given. One is A plus B whole star and the other is A star plus B whole star. So they are basically asking the relationship between both of them. Now what is a regular expression? For a regular expression, a finite automata, a machine that is known as finite automata would be possible, and regular expression is created for regular languages. Those are the type 3 languages. So regular expression can be created only for the regular languages, that are the class of type 3 languages. So there are various properties for a language to be regular. We will not dive into it now for now. So the regular expressions are given for two languages. We have to see the relationship between them. So there is a shortcut trick, I will say it, but for now let's see how can we know this. For this, when we are given two regular expressions and we have to find out the relationship between them, we should go with the shortest string possible, that is the smallest string possible. So we have A and B. What is this meaning of the star? The star is clean star closure. There are basically two types of operation over the alphabet sigma. One is sigma star, that is clean star operation, and the other is sigma plus, that is the plus operation. Okay. So sigma star clean star operation means 0 or more occurrences of an alphabet. Means if this alphabet is over, the sigma is over the symbol A only. For example, we have only A, so the sigma star represents nothing, that is null or epsilon, a single A, 2A, 3S, 4S and something like that. And the plus operation includes everything except this epsilon sign, that is except null. So it will have A, double A and so on. That is sigma star consists of only an extra value than this sigma plus, that is the epsilon. So we can generally have sigma star, and if we deduct epsilon from it, then we will be getting sigma plus. Okay, so these are some basic identities. So now I am taking the smallest, as star means 0 or more occurrences, it is whole star. This is also whole star. So smallest string, this can give epsilon, this will also give epsilon as the smallest. Now I want a smallest string, that is A. The next smallest string will be A only. Yes, A plus B. I can, A plus means or A or B. Yes, I can get a single A here from here also. I can get A here also. Okay. From here, can I get a? Is A is, can I derive A from here? Yes. From this A star plus B whole star, I will simply consider A star. From A star, I can have A. From A star, I can simply have an A. Now the smallest string next possible is B. Yes, A or B. I can have B. Here A star or B. I can consider only B also. Okay. So till now, whatever this expression gives, this expression is giving also. Then going to the next smallest, that is AB. Is AB possible here? Yes, AB is possible. From A plus B star means 0 or more occurrences of this expression. So for A plus B star, I can have first epsilon, then since it is star, I can take two occurrences of A plus B, that is A plus B and A plus B. Like that, here we are writing 2A's. It is a whole expression, so A plus B, A plus B. From here A, this expression I can take 1A, and from this expression I can take 1B. So I got it AB. Similarly from this one also I will be able to get AB. So till now we can see that both of them are equal, but there is basically a property. I am writing this property here. So this property says that if you are having A plus B star, okay, this is equivalent to A star plus B whole star, which is equivalent to A plus B star whole star. Okay, all these are equivalent. This is also equivalent to A star B star whole star. It is also equivalent to this one, but this is not equal to AB whole star. Okay, so these all are equivalent, but not equivalent to this one, because it is A or B. This one is A or B, A or B. Here either A or B, we can take anyone, but here after epsilon AB is compulsory, means we cannot have either A or B. Here AB, here we can, here also we can have either A or B, because from B star I can get epsilon and from A star I can have simply an A, but from here compulsory I will be getting AB, then two ABs, AB, AB. There cannot be a single combination of either A or B. So from this, if we are knowing this formula, this can be easily solved. So these two expressions are equivalent, that is L1 is equal to L2. So if you remember this one, this kind of things can be easily sorted even without using pen and paper. In theory of computation, several other formulas are possible, and the simplest trick to solve any question is to go with the smallest string. That would be possible. So this was basically a question asked previous year. We will be now considering the exam dates are nearer, we will try to bring more questions and solving questions of previous year also. Not only 2020, we will be solving questions of previous year in a random manner. So do mention in the comment section which subject you want us to solve first. We would like to help you out. Also to join the WhatsApp and Telegram group, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos of this type. Thank you.